Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Soriam for those of you that are new, and on my channel I like to make all kinds of different videos. We have cleaning with motivation, lifestyle videos, home videos, beauty and hair videos as well. So if you are interested in any of these topics, then don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos per week, and a lot more videos coming soon. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I like to blow dry my hair straight. So I think I've done another video where I do a salon blowout, like a really big curly bouncy blowout, and I will have that linked below. I'm going to find it and I'll put it below in the description. But I wanted to share with you what I like to do when I am going to be curling my hair. I like to blow dry it straight. So it's super easy, super straightforward. It takes me a while because I have a lot of hair, but this definitely doesn't take long, and it shouldn't take long, especially if you have less hair than I do. So if you want to see how I like to blow dry my hair straight for when I am going to be curling my hair, then keep on watching. So I'm going to put in some oil. This is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, and then for product I'm going to use the number 6 from Olaplex too. This is the Bond Smoother, and I think that's it. I don't want to put a lot of stuff in here in my hair because I want it to last as long as possible between washes, which is always my goal. So I'm just gonna take a few drops of the oil, kind of like put that in my hair. I'm going to go underneath, literally everywhere. Just make sure it's like distributed evenly. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this, like that much. Oh my gosh. Just a little bit, and I like to massage this in my hands, and it kind of goes over there everywhere. So a little bit goes a long way. So I'm gonna start in the back where it's wet. I love how this smells. It smells so good. So I'm gonna put this everywhere. And then the other hand I'm gonna do on this side. Now I'm gonna go in and just blow dry it like straight, and then I'm gonna put some curls in. So let's get started. I started by parting my hair, and I am going to do about 3 to 4 parts because I have a ton of hair. So it's just easier for me to divide it all up. And I started with the first one around my temples, just a little bit above my ears. Usually I do it around my ears, but I just wanted to get through this quickly, and so I grabbed a little bit of a bigger section, but you could grab as little or as big of a section as you need. I have a lot of hair, so it's just easier for me to divide it all up. And then I have a medium-sized round brush, which is what I love to smooth everything out. My hair isn't really curly or anything. It's more like a wavy texture if I let it air dry, but it just gets frizzy. So I love to use a round brush that'll really help smooth everything out. And I'm always trying to angle my blow dryer down so that I can seal my cuticle. You never want to blow dry your hair like in the opposite direction that it grows, because you're just going to create like frizz, and it's going to look frizzy even though it's not. Moving on to my second parting. As you can see, I am drying it in the back, just angling my blow dryer down, because my hair was really like kind of 100% dry around the front, and in the back it was still pretty damp. So having it be almost dry is the easiest way to do a blowout or blow dry, because it'll take you like less time. If it's sopping wet, it's going to take you a lot longer. So I always like to make sure to blast the sections just with my blow dryer to make sure that it's dry. So this top section was a little bit damp towards the back of my head, so I'm just blow drying it, angling my blow dryer down, holding it up above my head. This really helps like straighten and smooth your hair without the blow dryer. And if you have really wet hair and you don't have time to let it like air dry, that's a really good idea to just blast, like rough dry it with your blow dryer, but having the blow dryer above your head, angled down, and it'll help a lot. So I am starting with my right side where I have less hair, and again, I'm just grabbing some hair at my root and pulling it straight down with my blow dryer to like make it nice and smooth. And then I'm started over on my left side, but I have a ton of hair on this side because this is where this isn't where I part, so I have a lot of hair on this side. So I divided that into two sections. Sometimes you have to do that. If you have thinner hair, like I said earlier, you won't need to, but I do because I have a lot of hair. So I am blow drying my hair. Again, I'm putting the round brush underneath and making sure my roots are really dry before I focus on my ends. And that just helps everything look really nice, and you won't get any frizz up near your roots. So, ooh, I kind of like it. So this is what my hair looks like right now, just straight. I'll show you the back real slowly, you know. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. Okay. Does it look good? So I have it all pushed back. What do you guys think? Looks good? I don't know. I'll have to see what it looks like in the camera when I'm done. But that's what it looks like. I actually don't mind it. See, like, that's the thing. Like, when it's wet, you don't really know what color it's gonna be. So now that it's dry, it's definitely not as warm as it looked when it was wet. It looks really blonde, which I didn't think it was gonna get this blonde because my hair is so dark. And other times that I've tried to bleach my hair, like, it's just really hard to get like past that orange level. So this was really surprising. I definitely like that Redken, what was it, the Flash Lift, really worked really well. So I'm just gonna throw some curls in just because I want to, and even though it looks really good, like, it looks really good straight. I definitely like it, like the blend here. Like, it's okay, it's not too bad, I'm not mad at it. And I didn't do two toners, so I just did one toner all over. So I think that I'm gonna let this toner have its moment for maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I don't know, depending on how fast it comes out. But next time I tone it, I am definitely gonna go a little tiny bit darker. And I got some weird, I feel like something weird happened on my bangs, like on this little part right here. So I'll probably have to fix that. There's like a dark spot in where the light is, kind of like right in here. You kind of, yeah, you can kind of see right in here there's something funky going on. But for the most part, it turned out really good. So I will do my curling and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I am posting 3 videos a week now, and I still don't know like what days it's gonna go up, but if you hit that little bell right next to the subscribe button, you will get notified every time I post. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.